Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD, CHF, US dollar, Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of US dollar Swiss franc in front of us right now. And as we all know, dollar is going down. Yes, US dollar is going down after the Fed's meeting yesterday, when Fed declared that inflation will be there in the market for short term and COVID-19 will be a part of our day-to-day life because new variants are coming every day. Therefore, US dollar started falling and the whole setup of the dollar chart has changed because it was in a bullish trend right now before, sorry. And right now we can see that the trend line support is gone, and right now the uh, market is under the dominance or influence of sellers. We have a trend line above which is acting as a resistance for the market right now. So the whole scenario has changed for the US dollar. Right now it is trying to take support here at this level. So if you want to know better, then I will request you, my dear friend, go to the chart of DXY and draw this line so that you can understand the market better. Okay. And as we all know, the US dollar has direct impact on the forex market, and especially on currency pairs like US dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, Swiss franc. Okay, and you can see that dollar is going down and USD CHF is also witnessing some heavy selling pressure on the market. And if we look at the chart here, then we can clearly see that there is no proper support present here. Okay, because there is no, you can see that the chart is very much clean, no support present here, and this particular support level is quite far away. Therefore, the best trading opportunity in this market is to wait and watch. Okay, I'll be coming to that part also. So overall, if you look at the chart here, the trend of the market seems to be consolidation. Okay, the market seems to be consolidating, but after the news, after the Fed's meeting, the whole scenario has changed. So the present trend, okay, the present trend of the market is towards the downside, that we cannot deny. And as we all know, in a downtrend market, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities, whereas if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And this market is in downtrend, therefore we should look for shorting opportunities. Secondly, area of value. As I have clearly discussed in my hundreds and hundreds of videos, that area of value is extremely important before executing any order. My dear friend, my dear brother and sister, you must try to find out the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity. In an uptrend market, when a market is going up, the area of value is always near the support. And if a market is falling, or in a downtrend market, the area of value or the best opportunity to short the market is always near the resistance. And right now this market is going down, and therefore your area of value or the best trading opportunity will be this trend line. I'll request you to draw this line in your trading platform so that you can understand the market better. And you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, this trend line was acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, and therefore we can hope that when market will try to recover and reach this trend line, market will still act as a dynamic resistance and will not allow the market to go up, and we can short the market here. And if we go the forex sentiment meter, we can see that most of the retail traders are still thinking that market will be going up. See, this is a forex sentiment meter. This is the US dollar Swiss franc. You'll find a forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com. Okay. You can see that 36% retail traders have taken short position and 63% retail traders have taken long position. And this market is falling. You have clearly seen that US dollar is also falling. This market is under the dominance of sellers right now. and still only 36% traders have taken short position, whereas 63% retail traders are still thinking that market will be going up. And this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friend, do not follow the herd, just follow your own analysis, trade wisely, trade with proper analysis. And this market is in downtrend, there is no doubt. Therefore, wait for the market to go up and hit this resistance level. Okay, so you should not short the market here, because if you short the market here, your risk to reward ratio does not match. Your stop loss will be here, and this much risk is too much. This much risk is too much. Yeah, it's rhyming. So you should not short the market here. Wait for the market to go up. When it will hit the 50 moving average, 50 moving, sorry, this trend line again, then you can short the market. As of now, this is the only safe trading opportunity for you right now in the chart of USD CHF. And if you go to the weekly chart also, if you go to weekly chart, then you can see that weekly chart is also not giving you any clear sign here. Okay, there is a 50 moving average here, so we can hope that 50 moving average will help the market to bounce a little, but selling pressure is there in the market. So in case market bounces a little, then you'll get a good opportunity to short the market at the resistance. Okay, so wait for the market to go up. When market will be going up, just observe the price at this level, at this trend line. If you see market struggling near the trend line, or if you see price being rejected from above, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is still a valid resistance, and you can short the market here. Apart from this level, there is no other safe trading opportunities to be seen on the chart of USD CHF. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.